Hello guys, welcome back once again to the Financial Academy YouTube channel. Yes, of course. Welcome back once again to the Financial Academy YouTube channel. So in today's video episode, I'm gonna be teaching you the best forex pairs to trade as a beginner. Yes, of course. So if you're a beginner, in today's video episode, I'm gonna be teaching you the best forex trading pairs you need to focus on as someone who is starting out in the world of forex trading. Are you getting me? So this video is for you. If you want to know the best forex pairs to hop on as a beginner, because we have so many forex pairs. We have the major currency pairs, we have the exotic currency pair, and we have the minor currency pairs. So please stick with me. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. Like this video, subscribe and comment if you have any single question concerning any of my videos. Understand? Without any further ado, and without wasting much of our time, let me take you over to my screen. Are you getting me? When I take you over to my screen, I'll be able to break down for you everything that you need to know on how to choose the best forex pairs as a beginner or as someone who is starting out in the world of forex trading. So follow me right now. Let's head over to my screen right now. Then you'll be able to learn and understand the best forex pairs that a beginner must hop on and the ones that a beginner must avoid, most especially if most especially the exotic currency pairs. So let's go right now. Follow me. Let's begin my video. Let me go to my screen now and teach you everything you need to know. Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome back once again to my screen. So let's continue. The best forex pairs to trade for beginners. A complete guide in this video. I'm getting my point right now. So navigating the foreign exchange market for the first time can feel like stepping onto a bustling international airport runway. Everything is moving fast. Signs are in different codes, and the noise is overwhelming. One of the most crucial first decision you make is which currency pair to trade. Choosing the right ones can mean the difference between a smooth learning journey and getting overwhelmed before you can even start. So in this video, we will walk you through the best forex pairs for beginners, explaining why they are suitable and giving you the foundational knowledge to trade them with greater confidence. Are you getting me? So if you watch this video from now to the end, you will learn why these things are the best forex pairs for beginner to jump onto and for beginners to work and understand. Are you getting my point? Now let's continue. Ask yourself why your choice of currency pair matters as a beginner. It is very important. Before we list the pairs, let's understand the logic. As a novice, your goal should be 1. Minimize unnecessary risk, which means avoid pairs with extreme volatility or unpredictable spread. This is the first thing you need to know when choosing a currency pair as a beginner. Number 2, maximize learning, meaning that you need to trade pairs with abundant, clear information and predictable behavior. Then number 3, reduce costs, meaning you need to focus on pairs with low spread. Yes, which is the difference between the buy and the sell price. I get my point right now. So now, this leads us to the concept of major currency pairs. Are you getting me? This leads us to the concept of major currency pairs. The major currency pairs, which is the beginner playground. So as a beginner, you need to focus on the major currency pairs. Are you getting my point? Yes. As a beginner, you need to focus on the major currency pairs. So the major currency pairs are all include the US dollar or the USD and are paired with the world's most liquid and stable currency. Are you getting me? So the major currency pairs are all currency pairs that have the US dollar attached to them. And also they offer, number 1, high liquidity, meaning that a lot of buyers and sellers, yes, that means that they have a lot of buyers and sellers, meaning that you can enter and exit trade easily. Number 2 is that it has tight spread, meaning that there is lower transaction cost on the pair. Are you getting me? Then number 3 is that abundant information, meaning that there is news, there is analysis, and there is resourceful for plentiful. Are you getting me? So right now, I'm gonna be telling you the top 3 forex pairs for beginners. Yes, of course, the top 3 forex pairs for beginners. Number 1, the Euro USD, which is the EUR/USD. Now, why is it the ideal number 1 for the beginners to focus on? It is because it is often called the fiber. This is the most traded currency pair in the world. Its popularity means that it is typically has the tightest spread and is highly liquid. It is less prone to extreme and unpredictable gaps than other pairs. The economies of the Eurozone and the US are well covered in financial news, making it easier to find analysis. I get my point. So, 1. What are the typical behavior? The typical behavior is that they tend to trend well and respect key technical levels. Its daily range is moderate, suitable for practicing both day trading and swing trading strategies. I get my point right now. Then the second one is USD/JPY or US dollar Japanese yen. It means that why is it ideal? It is ideal because this pair is known for its strong trend and liquidity. The Bank of Japan monetary policy can create clear, long-lasting directional move, and it is a great pair for learning about the interest rate differentials and risk sentiment. Also, it often falls when global market fears rises. I get my point. And what are their typical behaviors? Their typical behavior is that they can exhibit clean technical price movement and also pay attention to support and resistance level as they are often being respected. I get my point. So in the third one, which is number 3, is GBP/USD, which is the Great British Pounds against US dollars. I get my point. So why is it suitable with a caution, also known as cable? This pair is highly liquid but is known for being more volatile than the Euro USD. It can make large moves quickly, especially during London trading hours and around UK economic data releases. It is a good and a next step pair once you are comfortable with the basics. So what are their typical behavior? Their typical behavior offer excellent profit potential due to its larger daily ranges, but it comes with increased risk, perfect for learning about volatility and management. So this currency pair GBP/USD is perfect for learning about volatility management. I get my point. Now let's continue. It is also known as the commodity dollar, which is a good secondary choice. So these pairs also include the USD, but they are tied to countries whose economies are heavily reliant on commodity export like gold, oil, and iron. Are you getting me? And they are significantly slightly more volatile but still beginners accessible. Let's continue. Number 4 is USD/CAD, which is the US dollar Canadian dollar. Why is it interesting? The loan yield has a strong negative correlation with oil price. As Canada is a major oil exporter, they provide a clear fundamental driver to watch. It often moves in a predictable ranges. So what are the key considerations? You need to watch for oil price news and the Bank of Canada announcement. These are the key considerations to look at for when trading the US dollar Canadian dollar. You need to watch out for oil news and Bank of Canada announcement. Number 5 is AUD/USD, which is Australian dollar US dollar, and also the New Zealand dollar US dollar. Why are they grouped? These are the Aussie and the Kiwi. They are often influenced by Chinese economic data and global commodity prices because they are considered risk currencies, meaning that they tend to rise when global investor sentiment is positive. What are the typical behavior? The typical behavior is that it can be great for carrying trade strategies due to historical higher interest rate in AUD and the NZD and NZD, which is the New Zealand dollar, and for practices trade based on broader market risk trend. So AUD USD and the New Zealand dollar USD is very good for practicing trade based on broader market risk trend. I get my point. Now let's talk about pairs to avoid as a beginner, which are the exotic currencies. So as a beginner, there are some certain currency pairs you need to avoid. I get my point right now. Number one is stay clear of exotic pairs like USD Turkish lira, USD Mexican pesos, and also Euro Turkish lira. The future one extremely widespread. High cost eats into your profits. 2. Low liquidity. It is hard to exit trade smoothly. And then 3. Political or economic unpredictability. Can gap volatility on unexpected news. So you should extremely avoid anything exotic currency as a beginner trader. These pairs are for experienced traders who specialize in those regions and can absorb higher risk. I get my point. So right now, how to start trading, a beginner's action plan if you want to trade all these currency pair. Number one is this: open a demo account. Yes, of course, open a demo account. This is a non-negotiable. Practice with visual money for at least 2 to 3 months. Number two is this: focus on one pair. When you focus on one pair, start with Euro USD. When you start with Euro USD, master its rhyme, its daily average range, and how it reacts to the US and Euro news. So you need to focus on one pair. You need to start with at least Euro USD. That is my recommendation. And also master its rhymes, its average daily range, and how it reacts to the US and EU news. Number 3, learn the drivers, meaning that you need to understand what moves your chosen pair. Understand? So you need to know what moves the currency pair that you are trading. The Euro USD, the US non-farm payroll, the Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank interest rate, and the GDP data for both regions are what move the Euro USD. Then the USDJPY is the Bank of Japan policy, the US dollar, the US Treasury yield, and overall market risk on and risk off sentiment. Are you getting me? Then number 4 is apply simple technical analysis. Learn how to draw your support and resistance line, spot basic trends, and use one or two indicators like moving averages or the RSI on your choosing pair. Number 5 is this: develop a simple trading plan. Yes, by this it means that define where you will enter, where you will take profit, and where you will place your stop loss before you enter every trade. It is very, very important. Number 6 is graduate carefully. Once you are consistently profitable on your demo account with Euro USD, introduce a second pair like USDJPY or GBP/USD to your watch list. Then my final word is this: patience is your greatest asset. Are you getting me right now? The best pairs are the ones that allows you to learn the principle of trading, risk management, discipline, and analysis without being punished by erratic, unpredictable behavior. The major currency pairs provide you with this stable environment. Remember, success in forex trading is not about finding a magical pair that always wins. It is about understanding the characteristics of a few pairs deeply, managing your risk ruthlessly, and having the patience to execute your plan. Start with the measures, keep it simple, and focus on the process. Happy and prudent trading. But before then, please, this is a disclaimer. Trading foreign exchange on a margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This content of this video is an educational purpose only, and it's not a financial advice. Are you getting me? But with that being said, in trading, you need to have these three things. Number one, you need to control your psychology as a trader. Number two, you need to have good risk management. And number three, you need to know what? Have a trading plan. Yes. When and what do I mean by these three things? Control your psychology is very, very important as a trader. Being able to know when to avoid over trading, when to be patient, and when to be in the trade, and when to stay out of the trade. It is very, very important for you to know and master this. Number two is risk management. As a trader, you need to know risk is what keep you in this business. Managing your risk is what keep you business for a long period of time. Because there is a saying that goes like this: we live to fight another day. So you have to trade and manage your risk properly so that you don't blow out your hard-earned money out of proportion. So risk management is very, very, very important in trading. Then the third one is trading plan. It's like you have a business, but you don't have a plan on how you can grow the business and make the business successful. That means the business is bound to fail. So you need to have a trading plan as a beginner trader. It is very, very, very important for you to have a trading plan, a well-structured trading plan that will help you, and you follow them religiously. The way you read your books and pass exam, that is the way you will read and follow your trading plan strategically and discipline and religiously. Stick with them. Whether you make money or whether you don't make money, stick with them. It will change you a whole lot in trading. So if you have watched this video up to this end, please make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment down below if you have any single question concerning any of my videos. I'm getting my point right now. So without any further ado, I will see you on my next video episode. Thank you for sticking with me. Take care, stay safe, love you guys, and bye for now.